when it comes to bookshelf speakers, there's a huge range to choose from, and this is one of them. The JVC XS-D629BM. And this is in the walnut color. Let's get into the unboxing. So the total power of the speaker is 60 watts. And there's two drivers.
Drivers.
No, not like that, like the speakers.
Oh.
Not drivers, this is like taxi. Okay. No, not like that. Not like that. Like that. Wait, let me get the other side. They seal this good. Okay, so you.
Oh.
Whoa. So you get greeted with the instruction book. Nope. No need for that. Right, Chloe, sit on the ground. No, it's on the ground. So, here. This is the speaker wire, which plugs into one and then connects to the other. And then RCA to headphone jack. Do you want to open that?
This is how it looks like.
So I'm here with my sister Claudia.
Hi.
Yeah, hi. So this is the remote. Quite a good remote. Good remote. Hey. Here you get the power button, mute, volume up, volume down, play, pause, skip, back, Bluetooth, pairing for Bluetooth, auxiliary, and then USB. So you can control whatever goes inside the music.
Here's them unboxed.
Yeah. So this is one end which goes into the left, and then this is in the right. That's so you can pull this and then now it's activated. Okay, and that's the power.
So now we got the power, and I'm just going to unbox it.
Yeah, unboxing the cable.
This is hard.
Hard to open. Yeah, just
So
chop that on the
here it
ground. Yeah, so the mains.
It's very cool.
The cable? Yeah, we haven't even got to the cable. Okay, come. Let's talk about the inputs. So you get adjustable bass and treble on the speaker. And then when it comes to inputs, you get USB, which allows, no, not yet, which allows you to charge your phone and whatever device you may have that goes into USB. And you also get the playback from the USB, on your MP3 files. And you have an auxiliary, which is this one, and input to the audio devices that may have a headphone jack. And it also is powered by the mains, okay? Oh! So you get a good foam padding. Chill. Oh my gosh, that looks beautiful.
I thought it was going to be smooth.
Oh, this is... Yeah, you try. But don't drop it. Don't burn the box as well.
Okay.
No need. Okay. So this is the master and this is the slave. Man, they look sweet. Okay, let's get rid of the box.
Bit closer.
Yeah, in the ceiling. Just pop it there. Okay. So, go. Oh, there's this on the bottom. Flip it upside down.
Really?
Yeah, look.
I don't want to break it.
Okay, let me flip it upside down for you. This is lighter, Crow.
It was lighter than the box.
Yeah, because this is heavier, this one.
Ah!
Ah!
My friend is calling me right now.
Oh my gosh, you're holding it so weird.
Friend, if you're watching this, I'll call you back later.
With its elegant and exposed design, you in the box you can't really go wrong with it. The box is just beautiful, and it's 2.0, which means it has right and left separated channels. It supports Bluetooth, so you can wirelessly transfer your audio from a smartphone, tablet, laptop directly to the speaker without any hassle. Oh man, this is beautiful. Okay. Man, this is satisfying to open.
This is nice and modern, and it's a recommend.
Do you recommend?
It's a recommend to buy these.
Yeah. You can place them anywhere and they'll fit perfectly and give you clear sound, which the only letback is that it doesn't wirelessly connect, as you can see. It doesn't wirelessly connect to each other, which is... It's still okay, but they give you a relevantly short wire, about 1 meter long. But it really is just a piece of art. It blends in anywhere you put it. It's a beautiful, like really beautiful. So at the back here, on that one, you can see that there are the two inputs, and here is where it goes out. You get your auxiliary in, which is the master in, red to red, white to white, and then you can plug it in. But it's not needed as it is Bluetooth. But if like your device doesn't support Bluetooth, then you can.
My friend or my BFF called me now 3 times.
Yeah.
BFF Sophia, if you are watching this, sorry, but I am doing a video, so I can't really call you.
Oh man.
I'll call you back later.
So here, there's a sticker which you can peel off. It tells you what the elevator. I was supposed to say LED, what the LED indicator means. So red is for standby.
Elevator.
Come on, speak. Red is for standby. Green is for auxiliary and mode. Blue is for Bluetooth. And then mode. And then yeah, that's yellow. So here you can like clear. Yeah, there's another one there.
Oh, honey.
Did you really just notice?
Yeah.
So here you have your adjustable bass and treble. You can add it. So what did I say?
I don't know.
Okay, and then there you get USB playback there, and then you can also charge your devices from it. You get your auxiliary in, and then here is the cable, and then here is for the bass exhaust, and then there's your main power input. On the front it is really stylish. You get like this gold-plated driver.
Driver. Yeah.
No, I knew you were going to say that. There you go, your source input, and also if you press it longer, then it switches source. But if you press it once, yeah, source. No, not sauce.
What?
Oh, sauce, like Bluetooth. Really, again?
Mom is calling me. My BFF Sophia is calling me 4 times now.
So it's already stylish. So there's your domed tweezer, and then on the other one, it is lighter as it doesn't have that. Oh yeah, way lighter. So there you get your input for left and right stereo channels. Well, yeah. And then also your bass exhaust there. It has the same stylish design. It's a gold-plated noise.
Wait, can I tell something to Sophia?
No, this is not a video directed to Sophia.
Dear Sophia, sorry that I'm not picking up your calls because right now I'm doing a video. And you called me 5 times now.
Let's get into the time lapse. Are you now using it as a drum?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's about 1 meter, 1.5 meters.
You never put my eye. You're just like.
So all you do here, you plug it into the main, the master.
Main master. So.
You do it here. You just screw it in. I'm not doing it right. How am I so stupid?
Okay, so this is the. I forgot what's the name. What's
That's
it?
the power. So this is the
So this is the power.
I've got the power. Okay, copyright strike.
So this is the power. It's very long, as you can see.
Hey, stop hitting me.
I'm not hitting you this time.
Here you are.
There's that hole.
No, but it's weird. Come on.
So here it is.
So this black stripe one goes into the black, as you could think.
And it is very long. It's higher than me. And
Yeah.
I'm very tiny, as you.
As usual.
Yeah, because I'm tiny.
Yeah. Ah. You just were like, ow.
Yeah, no, because I'm ow.
Hmm? So this just plugs into the bottom there. What? It's your Doritos fingers.
No, it isn't.
Doritos.
Where did Doritos fingers?
You have the Doritos
No,
fingers.
you
Me?
Yeah.
Why? So it is now powered on. Yep. Oh.
Okay, so this took for ages to undo it, and it's really cool. I
What
love
are you
the
even?
colors.
Yeah, so the remote. Okay, goodbye. So the remote works
So,
perfect.
yeah.
Goodbye.
So these
Goodbye.
are really good
Goodbye.
colors,
Yeah, right, that's fine. Weird.
and it's very long as well. So I'll put over Danny here. Hello.
Okay, so let me pair it with Bluetooth quickly. Okay, so it's in Bluetooth pairing mode. You just open Bluetooth up on your Bluetooth compatible device. Scroll down. What are you doing now?
I don't know.
Yeah, so there it says XS-D629BM, so the model number of the speaker.
Paired.
Pair. So. Sounds good. It's not even as loud.
This is cute. It is good, by the way.
Sounds good, right?
Yeah, I recommend all buying these.
So you can pause it here, which pauses on the device as well. Mute it. Oh, look at that. Man, that sounds good. That sounds real good, man. Yeah, I feel that. Ooh, yeah. No, not bad.
It's cold. It gives me air.
So now let me turn the bass up to max. Oh, okay. No, stop it. I don't want to blow that. Okay, so I'm gonna turn the volume a bit down. And then turn the bass up. Oh, that's my phone.
Yeah.
No, give me the phone back. Oh man, that's beautiful. Sounds clear, like really good. Wear headphones up. This is a good binaural audio. So this is the dome tweeter. Oh yeah. That's good. What do you think?
It's good actually. It's actually really good. I recommend buying these that are really, really good for like TVs or like something.
It's bookshelf speakers. It's seriously like
Bookshelf.
fill a room with
It's really
audio.
good for bookshelf speakers. I recommend
That's what
buying
you say.
these. I really recommend
Yeah, look,
these.
even my sister recommends it, man.
First
This
I
is
was just
real
like, I don't really like it, but now I actually, it's really good. I recommend buying these. It's 1000 out of 10.
Yeah, it's real good quality. It sounds really clear. It's really stylish. The walnut color just blends in really well.
Modern. It's modern.
Yeah, really modern. Yeah, so that's basically it. It's beautiful. I really recommend buying it. It's 60 watts. Let's go.
Really recommend.
Oh.